Hey everyone, it's Deborah and welcome to Daisy Deb Crafts. It is Friday and I want to show you a cute little Cricut mini album that I made, a nativity mini album, and it's super cute. I did a tutorial on the cinch on Friday, so I'm not going to do a tutorial today, but I will give you, here's the settings for it. The slider 1 inch, push 1 through 5, and pull 6 through 12. It's a Cricut file, so I'll share that. Something you want to keep in mind is you want to cut chipboard as well, or actually I cut 110-pound cardstock that's sandwiched between two pieces of paper. I did use let me show you the paper I used for this. Excuse me. I used the Star of Bethlehem, can't even talk. The Star of Bethlehem paper from Hobby Lobby. I bought it 50% off, which it's on 50% off this week as well. And so it was $4 for 60 sheets. But anyway, let me show you what I did. So there's your settings, just so you know. And I just cut all kinds of different paper and cinch bound it to make this cute little notebook. And I showed you, this was a sneak peek, but I ended up deciding not to do a tutorial because I did a tutorial on Wednesday with the cinch bound book, and it's the same concept, you just need the settings. Okay, so I will share the file, and I hope you enjoy making this. It's so cute, and if you used plain pages, you would be able to, you know, somebody could use this as a December daily for, you know, their faith or whatever during December, during the Christmas season. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this, and if you make one, I would love for you to post a picture of it in the community or a link to your video showing this. I would love to see your version. Let me show you this paper. Let me back out a little bit so you can see this paper. This paper is beautiful. These are just some that I've pulled out. But it's beautiful. You get, I can't remember, 15 designs for each. So all of these designs, and you get 4 pages of each. What else would you make with this? I mean, I'm trying to figure out, because this one will be a hard one for me to use, but what else would you make with this? There's no cut aparts or anything like that. It's all just this paper, 4 sheets each. What else would you make? And do you have any suggestions, or would you like me to make something? Cards, or what would you like to see made out of this? Another thing that I wanted to point out, you could actually cut the nativity scene in gold, and that would be very, very pretty. But anyway, let me know what you think, and I've shared the file with you, and of course here's the paper from Hobby Lobby, and they put all the Christmas craft paper on sale for 50% this week. And if you don't catch it this week, it will go back on sale maybe the following week or 2 weeks later. Okay? Anyway, you guys take care and have a great day and have a great weekend. Bye.